The 2025 Volkswagen T-Roc is here, and it's making quite a statement. This compact SUV has been one of VW's most successful models in recent years, and now, it's back with updates that make it more modern, more connected, and even more fun to drive. So, what exactly is new with the 2025 T-Roc? First off, let's talk design. The T-Roc has always had a distinctive style, blending rugged SUV cues with sporty hatchback proportions. For 2025, Volkswagen has kept that formula but added a sharper, more refined touch. The front grille is bolder with new chrome detailing, and the LED matrix headlights have a sleeker, more high-tech look. There's also a redesigned bumper and new alloy wheel options that range from 17 to 19 inches. Around back, you'll notice updated taillights with a new signature light bar, giving it a modern edge at night. Inside the cabin, the 2025 T-Roc takes a significant step forward in quality. Soft touch materials are now more widely used, especially across the dash and door panels. Volkswagen listened to feedback about the previous model's interior feeling a bit too plasticky, and it's clear they've made a big effort to fix that. The infotainment system now features a floating touchscreen design available in 8 or 9.2 inches positioned higher for better visibility while driving. It runs the latest MIB 3 software, which means snappier performance, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and natural voice commands. Below the screen, you'll find touch-sensitive climate controls, which might not be everyone's favorite, but they do give the dashboard a cleaner look. Digital cockpit comes standard, with a 10.25-inch screen that's customizable and crisp. There's also ambient lighting, a wireless charging pad, and multiple USB-C ports to keep everyone connected. Higher trims get upgraded leather seats with heating and ventilation, while the R-Line version brings a sportier vibe with contrast stitching and aluminum pedals. Under the hood, the engine lineup is familiar but refined. In most markets, the T-Roc comes with a range of turbocharged petrol and diesel options. The 1.0-liter TSI 3-cylinder kicks things off with decent efficiency and city performance, while the 1.5-liter TSI is a great all-rounder, offering a good balance between power and fuel economy. If you want more grunt, the 2.0-liter TSI delivers up to 190 horsepower and comes with 4Motion all-wheel drive, making it a solid choice for more spirited drivers or those in colder climates. Diesel fans can still opt for the 2.0 TDI in different states of tune, although the availability may vary depending on emissions regulations in your region. There's also talk of a mild hybrid version being rolled out in more markets, as VW pushes toward electrification, but no full EV version of the T-Roc is confirmed yet. In terms of driving, the T-Roc continues to shine with its nimble handling and solid road feel. The MQB platform gives it a low center of gravity for an SUV, and you really feel the stability in corners. Steering is light but precise, and the ride quality has been slightly improved thanks to tweaks in suspension damping. The R-Line and T-Roc R versions get a sportier setup, and the latter with over 300 horsepower is basically a hot hatch in SUV form. Safety-wise, Volkswagen has packed the 2025 T-Roc with its latest IQ.Drive suite. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane assist, emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and even traffic jam assist in certain trims. Euro NCAP has consistently given the T-Roc high marks, and this new model should be no different once it's officially tested. Cargo space is solid for the class. You get 445 liters in the boot with the rear seats up, and over 1,200 liters with them folded flat. The rear seats are comfortable for 2 adults, and there's decent legroom for a compact SUV. Plus, features like a powered tailgate and split-fold rear seats make it practical for everyday use. So who is the 2025 Volkswagen T-Roc for? Well, If you're someone who wants the higher driving position and versatility of an SUV without going full-size, this hits the sweet spot. It's stylish, compact, packed with features, and refined enough to feel premium without the premium badge price tag. Whether you're a young professional, a small family, or just someone who enjoys a modern, practical ride, the T-Roc continues to deliver. It's not the flashiest option in the segment, but it gets the fundamentals right, and in a world full of compromises, that's a big deal. That's our take on the 2025 Volkswagen T-Roc. Let us know what you think about this new version in the comments and if you'd consider it for your next ride. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ayyan Wheels for more real-world reviews and honest takes on the latest cars hitting the road.